Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to replace the battery in an HP Chromebook 11 G4. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the two rear rubber feet and the two screws beneath those rubber feet. Next, you will remove the 11 bottom cover screws. Now, you will use your spudger to carefully pry the palm rest assembly apart from the bottom cover. Next, you will disconnect the touchpad cable on the palm rest assembly from the motherboard. Now, you will disconnect the keyboard cable on the palm rest assembly from the motherboard. The palm rest assembly is now removed. Next, you will remove the 6 battery screws. Now, you will disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You can now remove the battery. The first step in the installation of your replacement battery will be to set it into place and replace the 6 battery screws. Next, you will reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. Now, you will reconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable on the palm rest assembly to the motherboard. Next, you will snap the palm rest assembly back into place on the bottom cover. The Chromebook might turn on while you do this. Now, you will replace the 11 bottom cover screws. The final step will be to replace the 2 screws from under the 2 rear rubber feet, and then replace the 2 rear rubber feet. You have now successfully replaced the battery in your HP Chromebook. Nice job!